Hey everybody, this is Brett, and today I'm going to show you how knuckles are amazing massage tools for the tops of your feet, and probably for some other places in your body. But let's check out the tops of the feet here, and I'll show you how good they work. So I've put some oil, some coconut oil, on the tops of my feet. They don't need a lot, but if you just take your knuckles and start massaging them, you'll probably find some really bad spots, places where it really hurts, like a mofo, like right there around my heel. You can use one knuckle or two. The whole thing might hurt. And get right on the top like there. Oh, my Lord. On the sides, like that. You don't even have to push that hard. You can take a break for a second and work on the webs in between the toes. And you can use your nails, as I've shown you in the last video. Oh. Boy. Get in between the bones of the feet. There I can do 2 at a time in between the last 2 furrows. How about 3 at a time? Oh. And so you're hitting acupressure points when you're doing this. Like that one. Large intestine 4 is here, the liver 3 is here. Smooth it out with the fingers, but then get jiggy with it. Sorry, Will Smith. In between the metatarsal bones. Oh my God. How many of you think that Donald Trump or Joe Biden has ever done self-massage? Maybe accidentally. So, yeah. Oh, my toes, my toes. You know, you can just do self-massage for hours and hours. It's been over an hour now for me. Want to see a different view? Don't forget to do the other foot. You'll be walking funny if you do. Let's do the insides of the tops of the feet a little bit. Mine aren't too sore. But I'm going to go over them anyway. It's amazing how much the top part, though, is sore. Here's the other. This is the other foot. But they're both sore on the tops. Especially right, oh my god. That's just bad right in there. I don't know how I had neglected these. You know, probably because they hurt so much and I didn't want to do it like subconsciously. I'm like, don't touch that. Well, no pain, no gain. If you've got these landmines in your body and you're just neglecting them, it's going to cause problems. It's going to cause energetic flow problems and eventually tendon problems and who knows what else. You have to do the work in all areas of your health. Ugh, God. Right in there. Right in there is bad. And the knuckles are just like so aggressive. They're so brutal. Oh, the toe. Okay. Okay. So that's how you use your knuckles to do massage on the tops of your feet. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Make a comment if you want to.